Hello student, welcome to our standard 8 mathematics chapter number 14 factorization. My dear student, here is the factorization's introduction or revision. You can check out. First of all, introduction. Factors of natural numbers we are knowing very well. Factor of 13 are 2 into 15. Again, it will be a 3 into 10, which gives me a 5 into 6 also. So many factors it is having, or we can say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 15, also 30. We are knowing number and 1 are the factor of every number. Yes, number itself and 1 is the factor of the numbers, and then after the others numbers are also there. Those factors having the 2 factors only, which is the prime number, and those who are having more than 2 factors are called the composite numbers. So prime numbers are 1 to 100 we already studied in 6th standard, and 7th standard also I remind you. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. These are the 1 to 20th number. But for 30, it is very simple. In 2 table 30 is coming, 3 table also coming, 5 table, 6 table, 10 table, 15 table 30s are coming. Or 30 is divided by 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 15 also. Easy. Regarding 17, we can say 2 into 5 into 7, 10 7 is 70. Or you can say 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, it's a factors of 90. These are the factors of a number. But in our 8th standard, chapter number 14 is little bit different. Not only number, but alphanumeric values we have to show it. Alphanumeric values means a variables. Is it or not? Yes. Algebraic expressions we have to check out. Expressions are here. For this one, 3x. Factors of algebraic expression 5xy. So 5xy is nothing but it's a 5 into x into y, or you can say 5xy plus 3x. Two terms are given. So 5xy factors are 5 into x into y. Regarding 3x, that's a 3 into x. Easy? Correct. So these are called the multiplications factorizations method. And it cannot be further expressed as a product of factors. These are the prime factorizations. Or we can say irreducible. Irreducible means it cannot be divided further. It's a last simplest form. Yes, you are knowing these things. This word you are knowing. Simplest form. उससे छोटा हो नहीं सकता है. Correct. Phi into x into y. Or you can say xy together. xy will cut it also. Next, consider the expression 3x into x plus 2. It can be written as a product of factors 3x and x plus 2. Isn't it? Yes. Or you can say 3 into x plus 2. The factors of 3x and x plus 2 are irreducible factors of this one. Similarly, the expression of 10x into x plus 2 multiplied by y plus 3 is expressed by like this way: 2 into 5 into x, and then after x plus 2 multiplied by y plus 3. Because the bracket you should have to write as a factor. What is factorization? Yes, when we factorize an algebraic expression, rewrite it as a product of factors. These factors may be number, algebraic variables, or algebraic expressions. My dear student, here I remember the word expressions and variables, also a number. Number is a constant, isn't it? Expressions like 3xy, 5x square y, 2x, y plus 2, 5, y plus 1, x plus 2. are already in factor form, their factors can be just read off from them as we already know. On the other hand, consider the expressions like 2x plus 4, 3x plus 3y, x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x plus 6. Here x square is given, no problem. 3 terms are there, binomial, trinomial. Is it? Yes. Method of common factors. Now, how to obtain these types of questions will ask in exams. We begin with a simple example, factorize 2x plus 4. We shall write each term as a product of irreducible factors. So 2x is equal to 2 into x, 4, like that way. 5xy is equal to 5 into x into y. 10x is equal to 2 into 5 into x. Observe that the two terms have 5 and x as common factors. Okay, so 5x plus y plus 5x plus 2. We combine the two terms using the distributive law. 5x into y plus 2. Example number 1. 12a square b plus 15ab square. That means 12a square b will 2 into 3 multiplied by a into b. Isn't it? Correct. 15ab square is equal to 3 into 5 into a into b. Yes, my dear student, the two terms have 3a and b as common factors. 12a square b plus 15ab square, answer is 3ab, 4a plus 5b. Required factors form. Combining the terms and required factors forms are here. Factors of 10x square is equal to 2 into 5 into x into x. Yes, correct. 15 to 5, 18 to 2 is there common. Yes, x is also common, x square is also common. In all the term, x square will be the common, 2x square will take out, and final answer is this one, 7x square minus 9x plus 5. Because 10x में से 2x square निकाल दो तो 7 लास्ट में रहेगा तो 5 रहेगा इसका. Rearranging, we are knowing square will return first, then after x, and at last number. Rearranging this one. Yes, my dear student, that's why I am telling you rearranging the terms. Factorization by regrouping terms. Look at the expression 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. You will notice that the first two numbers or terms have common factor 2 and y, and the last two terms have a common factor 3. Now arranging them, regrouping. But there is no single factor common to all the terms. For this one, we can make the groups or simplified very easily. 2y x plus 1 plus 3 x plus 1. X plus 1 is the common one. So you can write x plus 1 into 2y plus 3. Easy? Yes, 2y plus 5. 2y plus 3, sorry, not 5. What is regrouping? Oh, I see. Suppose the above expression was given as 2xy plus 3 plus 2y plus 3x. Then it will not be easy to see the factorization. Rearranging the expression as 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. Rearranging, आगे पीछे कर देने. Allow us to form groups, first group and second group. Regrouping may be possible in more than one ways. Suppose we regroup the expression as 2xy plus 3x plus 2y plus 3. Yes, my dear student, here we can check out from the first two group, x is the common. In second one, we can take out 1. Now both group 2y plus 3 is the common, take out 1. From the first terms, we can take out, then x will be the left, and second one only 1. So 2y plus 3 and x plus 1. Factorize 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Think and then write. Steps are given. Step 1. Check if there is common factorize all terms. There is none. Okay, second thinking, think of grouping. Arrange the groups and you can find out some common one. Okay, very good beta. So 3x minus 2 will be the common. So rearranging, this is very important, putting a and b together because two terms are we are having, and final answer 3x minus 2, 2y minus 3. Yes, correct. Minus 3 when you take out, so positive number become negative and negative become positive. Be careful regarding these negatives numbers. Okay. Yes. Now 14.2.3 factorizations using identities. We are having three identities: a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b, a minus b, which gives you a square minus b square. Yes, example number 4, x square plus 8x plus 16. Now you have with three terms, a trinomial, you can say a square, b square and 2ab. In this format you have to use it. In this format you have to make a factors of 16, which are the addition or subtraction, which gives you a second terms, middle term you are having. Yes, my dear student, 16 का दो पार्ट करो, 4 4 जा 16 तो 8 मिल गया, 8 2 जा 16 which gives you 8 to 6 मिलेगा या 10 मिलेगा, बट 4 4 करेंगे तो मिल जाएगा आपको आंसर. इजी. यस, 4y square minus 12y plus 9. Here you have the first term having a 4 and the second term is a 9. 9 4 जा 36. 36 के से दो टर्म बनाओ तो जिसका एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन 12 होना चाहिए. Is it? So you are having two numbers. Yes, correct. 6 6 ja 36. And answer is 2y minus 3 whole square. Third identity is here, 49p square minus 36. So in 49 is the square of 7 and 36 is the square of 6, and already p square already given. So 7p minus 6 and 7p plus 6. First term a square minus b square. Good. Now solution for this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Oh, I see. But now make it grouping. First group is here, second group is here. So a minus b square minus c square. So a minus b plus c, a minus b minus c is the answer. Required factorization. Anyone has doubt regarding this one? Sorry, there is no doubt. It's very clearly written. Example number 8. Factorize m raised to 4 minus 256. There is a m square raised to square minus 256 means 16 squares. M square minus 16, m square plus 16. M square minus 16 is equal to m square minus 4. Again, yes, correct. M minus 4, m plus 4. Factors of the forms x plus a, x plus b, x plus a, x plus b. Let us discuss how we can factorize expression in one variable x square plus 5x plus 6. Expressions are not of the type a plus b square or a minus b square, that is here not perfect square. For example, in the x square plus 5x plus 6, the term 6 is not a perfect square. This expression obviously also do not fit the type a minus b square, a square minus b square either. They, however, seems to be the same type, a square plus a plus b x plus a into b. We may therefore try to use identity 4 studied in the last chapter to factorize these expressions. X plus a, x plus b will give you a x square plus a plus bx plus ab. For that we can make it, use it. Example number 9, x square plus 5x plus 6. 6 कैसे दो भाग बनाओ बेटा, जिसका एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन 5 मिलना चाहिए. 3 2 6 आ गया बेटा, 3 plus 2 5 आ जाएगा. So here your answer is x plus 2 and x plus 3. Common one. You can check out. Oh, I see. Very good. Very good. X plus A, X plus B. Now, in general, for factorization, solutions. Find the factors of y square minus 7y plus 12. 12 कैसे दो भाग बनाओ? 6 2 are 12, 4 3 are 12. Yes, 4 and 3. And both the subtractions, minus 4 minus 3, will gives you a 7. Because the middle term is a minus, so either adding minus numbers, so both numbers should be minus y minus 3 and y minus 4. Okay, correct. This time we did not compare the expression with that in identity 4 to identify A and B. After sufficient practice, you may not need to compare the given expressions for their factorizations with the expressions in the identities. Instead, you can proceed directly as we did above. Correct. So here your answer is there. Question example number 11. Obtain the factor of z square minus 4z minus 12. Oh, I see. 6 2s are 12. So 6 में से 2 गया. Minus 6 and plus 2. Yes, z minus 6 and z plus 2. This is the final answer. So a plus b is equal to minus 4. This means the one of the larger numerical value is negative. We tried a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to 3. But this will not work. Places a plus b is equal to minus 1. That's why it's minus 6 and 2. That means gives us a minus 4. Isn't it? Yes. So final answer is z minus 6, z plus 2. 12th one. Find the factors of 3m square plus 9m plus 6. My dear student, here first term having the number and second term also having the numbers. Third term having the numbers. So common first and third terms multiplied 6 3 are 18. Yes, correct. 18 का दो भाग बनाओ जिसका 9 होना चाहिए बेटा. सम मिल जाएगा आपको, पक्का मिलेगा. 6 3 are. Very good बेटा. Or you can take out 3 common outside. You are having now m square plus 3m plus 2. 2 का दो भाग बनाओ, 3 होना चाहिए बेटा. 2 plus 1 3. 2 1s are 2. Division of algebraic expression. Last of this lesson we have learned how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. We also know how to multiply two expressions. We have not, however, looked at division of one algebraic expression by another. This is what we wish to do in this session. In this section, we can say we recall the division is the inverse operations of multiplications. Yes, my dear student, inverse उल्टा कर देने का है, दूसरा कुछ करने का नहीं है. Understood? Or we can say 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7, or 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. We may similarly follow the division of algebraic expression. For example, yes, my dear student, it is given here 6 raised to x cube divided by 2x is equal to 3x square. और उल्टा पुल्टा कर दो, 6x cube divided by 3x square is equal to 2x. Or at last you can say 5x square divided by 20x divided by 5x. Division of a monomial by another monomial. 6x raised to cube divided by 2x, or 6x cube divided by 2x. Very simple. 2x means 2 into x, 6x cube means 2 into 3 into x into x into x 3 times. By dividing this both to the number, we are having 3x square. 3 2s are 6. Common things are will cut out, and then xx will be cut out. Then after only 3x square will be the answer. Is it correct? Short method is here. 77 divided by 7. That means 77 upon 7. That 7 into 11. 7 will cut. 11 will be the answer. Same way also you can use it method. Do the following divisions: minus 20x raised to 4 divided by 10x raised to 2. Both the methods I can show it here. Whatever you can use, very simple way. First factorizations, then after the common one cut it. At last you are having the answer 2 x square, but minus sign as it is remain. 7x square yz, y square z square divided by 14xyz, cut it, you are having 1 by 2 xyz. Yes, my dear student, here 14.3.2 division of a polynomials by a monomial. Consider the division of the trinomial by monomial. First of all, make the each terms factorizations, then after divide with the monomial each terms. At last you will get it common factor 2 as shown separately. Correct. Okay. Now you can find out 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y divided by 2y. This 2y is divided for 3 terms. All the terms are having 2y. So first of all, you can take out 2y is common for each and every one. This is a little different method. You can follow it. Example number 14, divide 24 x square yz plus xyz square plus xyz square by 8 xyz using both the methods directly, or you can take out the 1 by 1 terms. The final answer remains the same, 3x plus y plus z. 3 into x plus y plus z will be the final answer by taking out the each terms. 8yz for divided for all the one, yes, 24x square yz and 8xyz, 8 3s are 24, and then after xyz cut, x will be the left, same way 24xyz xy square z, then after also 3 and 24xyz square, same one is here. Correct. Divide 44 x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square by 11x, x minus 8. Factorization 44 x raised to 4 minus 5 x raised to cube minus 24x square. We get it here. 44 x raised to 4 minus 5 x raised to cube minus 24x square. 2 into 2 into 11 into x square minus 5x minus 24. Taking the common factor x square out of the bracket. 2 into 2 into 11 into x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24. Yes, at last you are having 4x, x plus 3. Divide z, 5z square minus 80 by 5z, z plus 4. Divided. 5 into 16, 80. Correct? Using the identity a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Divide it. Z plus 4, z plus 4, 5z, 5z. You are having answer z minus 4. Can you find the error? Oh, last topic of this lesson. While solving the equation, Sarita does the following. 3x plus x plus 5x is equal to 72. Therefore, 8x is equal to 72, so x is equal to 9. Coefficient 1 of a term is usually not shown, but while adding like terms, we include it in the sum. Where has the gone wrong? Find the correct answer. Appu did the following. X is equal to minus 3, 5x is equal to 5, minus 3 is equal to 2. Is this procedure correct? If not corrected, then third task, Namrata and Salma have done the multiplication of algebraic expression in the following manner. Remember to make use of brackets while subtracting substituting a negative values. Remember, when you multiply the expressions enclosed in a bracket by a constant or a variable, consider the common one. Namrata and Salma. A 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 4. Beta, this one is wrong. 3x minus 12 is the correct answer. Salma's answer is right. 2x square is equal to 2x square. No, but 2x square, that is a 4x square. 2 is multiplied with 2 and x multiplied with x. 2 2s are 4 and x square. C. 2a minus 3a plus 2. Directly don't say 2a square minus 6. It has to multiply and finalize the answer 2a square plus a minus 6. Remember, when you square a monomial, the numerical coefficient and each factor has to be squared. Make sure before applying any formula whether the formula is really applicable. Don't do directly. X minus 5 square is equal to x square. Minus 25 is the wrong answer. You should have to write x square minus 10x plus 25 will be the answer. You see, is the multiplication done by the both Namrata and Salma correct? Give reason for your answer. So Salmas are correct, Namratas are wrong. So my dear student, here you already knowing the rule of DMAS and some rule for this one also. Task 4. Joseph does a division as a plus 5 upon 5 will give you a plus 1. Sorry. And whenever the two terms are given on the numerator side, it will not cut directly. Only it is possible for quotient after the dividend and divisors. Here two terms are there. His friend also did this one. He gave the answer A, but last one is the correct answer. What have we discussed? When we factorize an expression, we write it as a product of factors. These factors may be numbers, algebraic variable, or algebraic expressions. An irreducible factor is a factor which cannot be expressed further as a product of factor. A systematic way of factorizing an expression is the common factor method. It consists of 3 steps. 1. Write each term of the expression as a product of irreducible factor. Look for and separate common factors and combine the remaining factors in each term in accordance with the reimbursed path. Sometimes all the terms in a given expression do not have a common factor, but the terms can be grouped in such a way that all the terms in each group have a common factor. When we do this, there emerges this one. In factorization by regrouping, we should remember that any regrouping, that means a rearrangement of the terms in the given expressions, may not lead the factorizations. We must observe the expressions and come out with the desired regrouping by trial and error method. Is it, student? Yes. A number of expressions to be factorized are of the form of, we put into the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus b square, or you can say x square plus a plus b and plus ab. X will be, forget it here, x will be come out. Yes, my dear student, x will be there. The expressions can be easily factorized using the identities 1 to 4. One by one we can see here. Yes, my dear student, here see x plus b, x plus ab. Is it correct? In expressions which have the factors of the type this one, we can use it. In this case, the division of the polynomial by a monomial, we can carry out the division either by dividing each term of the polynomials by the monomial or by the common factor method. In the case of the division of a polynomial by a polynomial, we can proceed by dividing each term in the divisor the polynomial by the divisor polynomial. Instead, we factorize both the polynomial and cancel their common factors or cut out their common factors. So, dividend is equal to divisor into quotients. In general, however, the relationship is dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Thus, we have considered in the present chapter only those divisions in which the remainder is 0. There are many errors students commonly make when solving algebraic expressions. You should avoid making such errors. So here we end up our introductions or revision for lesson number 14, standard 8 mathematics factorization. I hope you all got the clear idea. Thank you once again.